Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can create an account on Novo. So for that you can see that I have downloaded the app Novo. You can see that. Now I will open the app to show you. Now in the app almost you have three options. So first one says apply now, where you can get started and you can create your account if you are new, fresh here. And here you can complete your application by clicking on the option complete existing application. And here the last one is I have an account. If you are old here and you have an account already, so simply click on that and log in. So as I am new here, so I will go with apply now. So for creating account, simply click on this apply now option. Now here you have to provide your email and your password, and here this referral code is optional. You can write here if you have any, and if you don't have then simply skip that and click on get start. Now they will send a verification code on your email, so you have to write that here. So I'm going to my Gmail, and in my Gmail you can see this verification code, and just write that verification code in this app. And here after writing verification code you have to move on. Now here you have to provide the information about your business, what type of business you run. So here you have different options. You can choose any one that fits you best. Here I'm going with general partnership. You can choose whatever fits you best. Now here you have to write your personal information, your name, your middle name. Middle name is optional here, the last name and citizenship, and here the date of birth, and the last one here is SSN number. You can provide that all, and after providing all this information, here you have to provide your phone number on which they will send a verification code. So here you have to write your phone number. Now here after verifying your phone number, you have to write here your address, your personal address, your unit, city, state and zip code. Here the unit is basically optional. You can write that or you can skip that. Here in state you have to choose your state from here, and after that you have to write here the zip code as well. Now here you have to write your business name, and after that you have to write your position in your business, whether you are CEO of business or president, whatever. And after that you have to write here as well how much share you hold of the business, whether you hold 50%, 20%, 100%. And here you can see that you have many positions. You can choose whatever position fits you best. And here you have this option where is your business registered. Here you have to choose a state where your business is registered. And now here you have to write your business address where your business is located. Here you can see that here you also have this option called CMS personal address, where the address will be filled automatically. Here if you have different business address, then you can write that here. Now click on next, and here you have to write your phone number and your EIN. Here EIN is optional. You can write and you can skip that. And here for phone number you can write a different, or you can select here CMS personal number. And you have to write here the date when your business was started. You have to write here the month and the year. Here you can select the month and you can select the year as well. And then they are asking for any website or social media that you have. You can write that if you have that. And here if you have turned this option on, where you are saying that this business is your primary occupation, primary source of income, and you can turn that off. When you will turn that off, they will ask you what's your primary occupation and business, where you can show them that this business is your secondary source of income. Here you have to write your primary source of income if you have any. If you don't have, then simply turn that option off. For now I am just using this business as my primary source of income, so I will turn that option on. Now here they're asking the personal information, what you do in the business, and here you have to tell them what industry are you in. So you have to choose industry here, then number of employees we have, and about the business. Now here you can choose an industry. Here you have different options. You can see that you can choose any option that fits you best. And here after writing the number of employees, here you have to describe what services or product do you offer and how do you make money. Like here I explained that I have a furniture business. I have 100 employees and I make 10,000 a month. So here they are asking that this business act as a third party payment provider. So you can if it does, then you can enable that and you can provide the information. Now move on to next. Here they're asking that let's cover your cash flow. Here you have to tell them your monthly revenue, how much you make a month. So I'm selecting randomly. You can select your own monthly income. Now here they're asking the method that you use for transfer. Here you can see different methods. Whatever you choose, simply you have to select that, and after that you have to select here estimate monthly income that you use for that, and the income that go out, the income that come in. Similarly, whatever you use, wires, ACH or card deposit, you have to select their estimate monthly income that come in and out. And if you don't use any of these, then simply click on none of these. Here you also have this option, I conduct business outside the US. If you do, then you can turn that option on. And here you have to provide some additional information. Here you can see that which country you have business in, the amount of money you transfer, and all these informations. And as I conduct in USA, I will turn that option off. And here the last step is documents, where you have to verify ID by providing different documents. Here they have given a list what documents are acceptable. Here you can see that driving license, state ID, passport are acceptable, but expired one are not. And here you can't even upload a military card. If you have military card are also not acceptable here, so you can only upload here a passport or ID card. ID card are for the person who lives in the USA, and you can also upload here driving license. But if you live outside the USA, you can't upload ID card or license. For that you have to upload here passports. Now here for verification you have to click on this link, and here you can see that they are saying that verification will only take 2 minutes. So let's do it. Here you can see that content and you can accept that. Here you can see what you can upload: license and ID card for USA person, and if you're outside the USA then you have to upload your passport. Now here they have opening the camera, you can see that, and here they have given us the example how you have to scan your ID card. Here you can see that. After verifying your identity, here you can use this Novo app, and that was all about how you can create an account on Novo. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.